Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the REALME C63. Okay, so we need to open up our app. Now, once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can enter the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Now scroll down and click on the chat backup. Okay, and now let's begin with those things that are right in here. Let's begin with the Google account. In here we have the Google account that we are currently logged in the settings of our device. And on that account, which is selected right in here, the backup will be made. So, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged in into the same Google account, and that you can see right in here, because on that account the backup will be stored. Of course, you can click on Add Account to add another one. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have other modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, and that means that the backup will be automatically made each month, and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature, because you don't need to remember about backupping your messages. They will be automatically backupped each month. And below we have option to include the videos also. We can turn it on. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. This option is for people who want to have like extra security feature, because in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create a password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats in the future. Okay, so once everything is selected, now all we need to do now is to tap this green button, backup. Now we need to wait a few seconds. The process should start. Okay, my backup has been successfully made. It didn't take much time because I don't have that many messages. We can see when the last backup was made. It was like, 3 seconds ago. And we can also see its size. And now our backup has been successfully created. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.